Good morning. My name's Natasha Soderberg, and I am head of school here at Butler Montessori. I'm new to this role, but not new to the community. I've been a parent here. This is my 12th year as a parent at Butler Montessori, and I was associate head of school for 4 years. I'm so grateful to everyone who came before me, and in particular to Laura Manick, our most recent head of school. She had a very clear vision for what her leadership would be, and she has passed to us a school that has a healthy budget, a close community, and of course, most importantly, authentic Montessori. I plan to bring my same passions as I have been over time here at Butler Montessori to my own leadership. And some of those things that you'll see coming, we're starting our high school. We already have 9th graders. We'll enroll 10th graders in 2024 and go on from there. So Butler Montessori will offer end-to-end Montessori education for those families who choose it. Of course, there are many other exciting things that I plan to bring in over the next few years. This year we are bringing back in after-school programs for our families here at school. I want to find more ways to outreach to the wider community beyond just our students. I am interested in some DEI work and connecting more to the environment and so many more things, and you'll hear from me all about those later.